custom blinker setup. This is Ben with Frostycomputers, taking a look at my dope ass e-bike. It's got custom lights too. But anyways, I came to talk about the dual battery kit that we're selling here. So down to business here. So you see right now we have the battery on and everything's working. We're in R mode, and looks like we got 4 batteries, or 4 little bars left. And I'm like, oh no, well, I'm going a far distance. I got a second battery just in case, I want to go explore, I want to go real long. So basically, how do I hook up the secondary battery? I have this kit, and basically if you get the kit, it'll you get all the wiring. And so this battery has an XT60 connector, and that's the same connector inside here that splits out. And so you can see I have this extra long XT60 cabling that basically runs through this, and then under the seat I have like a little Velcro here, and basically that's where I tuck in my XT60 connector. Now if I plug in this battery is on, so that'll be 2 batteries working at the same time, and that's actually not what we want, because they don't work consecutively. They work independently of each other. So in order for me to hook up the second one, I would simply turn this battery off, and you can see I have no power now. And so now I'm going to hook up my XT60 connections. Okay, hold on. Okay, so now you see that I've hooked up my XT60 to my secondary battery, and I can tuck this in under my seat, or like my bag, I can just zip it and tuck it in here, and that'll be safe. Definitely, if you're getting a secondary battery, just get a 52 volt and big baddie, my e-bike. Anyways, I have the battery hooked up, and so this is what I kind of like to do with the net bungee, so that way this battery is super secure. And like I said, I tucked everything in here. It's all connected. The custom wiring goes through here and basically goes into this this juiced. You can actually remove this little wiring area, and basically it's all tucked in. The cable lengths are all measured perfectly, so it's cut perfectly for you. That's kind of the benefit of the kit. Anyways, this battery is off, right? See, no green LED light. And so basically, let's check how much power we have on the secondary battery. So I've turned that on, and it looks like this one also has looks like 4 or 5 bars. But anyways, the other one, like I said, had 4 bars. And so if I want to switch between them, basically I would just disconnect this one and then turn that on. I can do that real quick. Basically unzip this, right? I mean, you could hook it up to a switch, but this is the easiest way right now. Disconnect this. So this XT60 connection's disconnected now. So you see I disconnected that. I can tuck these in. Now the stock battery is hooked up to this one. Turn this on. And turn on the indicator again, and what do I have? Was it 4 bars? This 4 or 5 bars on this one as well. So I guess I must have looked at it, but anyways, you guys get the point. So now this one's running on this battery, and this one's disconnected. So now you have dual batteries, and that's the basics of it. I mean, I usually just do it when I'm like taking a break, from riding, or I run out of juice. Pull over. Oh, that's my custom lighting. Yeah, pull over and basically do the thing, do the hookup. Anyways, that's the kit. Thanks for joining me. Have a wonderful day.